East Indian Bol Lucrecia, a rare coconut pie. Bol Lucrecia is a traditional East Indian coconut pie dessert that's moist on the inside and crispy outside. It's probably just a version of the Portuguese tarte de coco or coconut tart or the East Indian tartlets. Bol Lucrecia literally translates to cake of Lucrecia. We're not sure how it got its name or who Lucrecia is. It's possible that Lucrecia was just too tired to make the tartlets or bol de coco, so she found a big pan and threw everything in there, and voila, she invented the Bol Lucrecia. But you'll definitely like this dessert. Ingredients. For the crust: ghee, flour, water, salt, and sugar. For the filling: sugar, water, desiccated coconut or freshly grated coconut, semolina, eggs, and ghee. Food color and almonds to decorate are optional. Let's make this yummy dessert. Add water to the sugar and make a syrup called a mel. Once the mel is ready, add in the desiccated coconut and cook for a while until the sugar mixture is almost dry. Tip: if using freshly grated coconut, reduce the amount of water. Take it off the stove and allow it to cool. Mix ghee, flour, and powdered sugar together to form a dough. If necessary, add water to make the dough soft and stretchy. Roll the dough into a circle and place in the tins to form the crust. Once the coconut filling has cooled down, add ghee, semolina and beaten eggs. Mix well and make 3 portions of the filling. Add green and pink color to 2 portions. Food color is optional, but using the traditional pink, green and white gives it a lovely look. Spoon it into the crust and sprinkle grated almonds or pistachio on top before baking the pie. Cool a bit before digging in. The moist coconut filling inside the crispy crust just melts in your mouth. It's definitely worth the effort. Visit this link for more instructions or details. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching.